Hello to everyone. Today I have here a laptop or notebook Acer, and I would like to show you how to change battery in this notebook. So we can check what kind of notebook it is. So it is Acer, and it is Aspire 5310 series, and model number is JDW50. And we can see that battery is here, and we have here just this one button, and we can see that it's lock and unlock. So now I can try to open the battery like this. You can keep this and push out batteries. Now you can see how is it looking inside, like this, and we can see that here is what kind of screw is inside, and also we can check the batteries. So it's wire battery AS07B51, iron battery 4400 milliampere hours. Okay, when we have new batteries, we can inside like this. So first you have to input the corner or this side, because I can show you here this and this and this. So this is what you have to do first, like this. Okay, nice line, and after just push in. Now you changed the battery, and now you can run laptop. Just push it in. So thank you for the watching, and I hope that I helped you, and don't forget to subscribe for the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.